Hey guys, myself Rakesh, and in this video we are going to learn one more important aspect around module, right? If the module is created with a dictionary variable, how do you really access those values from the module? Let's see this. Before we get started, guys, please do support me. I need your support. Please do subscribe to the channel and support me. With that, let's get started and understand the Python module part 2. Okay, now first of all, what I am going to do, let me create a new file and give it a name. I'll give it a simple name called module1, okay, and hit on enter. So the module1 py file got created. If I go to my explorer, you can see module1 in the project folder, it got created. Now in this one, let's create a variable. Let's say I'm going to create a variable called student1, okay. Student1 equals to, and I am going to create a dictionary here. For dictionary, you will use the curly braces. Now here, let's say the name of the student is equals to, let's say I'm going to give John. Okay, this is one value. Let's give it age, and everything has to be in double quotes because these are strings. Age is, let's say the student age is, let's say 12. Okay, comma. Okay, and dictionary should not be written in equals, okay, remember it should be colon mark, yeah. So all the syntaxes, okay, all the syntaxes you should remember. Name, age, and then what should we give? Standard, let's say with standard the student is standard, colon, let's say he's in the first standard. Okay, so these are the three different values which I have given, and I'm going to save it. We can do a file, save all, or control S. So this module is created. Okay, now in a different file, in a main.py file, I am going to import the module. The py file which got created, I would like to import that. And how you have written the name, it is case sensitive. If I type aim, see it's not coming. So you should type in the right way. So you should look at the name of the py file properly. So here module1.py, so I will simply say module, no colon mark, no parenthesis, nothing used here. Simply import and the name. Even you are not writing .py, okay, just leaving with the name, and they are case sensitive. Now how do I get the values of the variable which you have created? So the variable is there in which module? In the module1. So I should say module1, name of the module or name of that py file, dot. The moment you type dot, it will automatically show you in PyCharm there is a variable created called, you can see the V symbol, that means there is a variable created called student1. Fine. Okay, now if I leave to this, for example, now let's say I want to understand the name of it, name of that, what is the name stored inside that variable. If I do this, if I say print and if I say a, what is going to happen? The a object is going to print the value, right? So the a variable has printed the value called John. Getting it? So I got the value from this module. It is going and taking the value John. Now what if I want to know all of name, age, whatever is there, I want to see everything. If you want to see everything, then this is the variable which is a dictionary variable, dot, I can say values, right? If I say values and hit on run, what would happen? It is going to show me John, 12, 1, all the three different things I have got. Let's say I want to know what are the different keys available, so I will say keys. So all this I have covered in the dictionary video. How do you manipulate dictionary and how do you access items inside the dictionary in Python? I have shown that. Now if I simply say keys, what would happen? Getting it? All the name, age, all the keys have been printed. There are multiple different ways to do it. Okay, for example, let me use a for each loop. Let's say I will use a for loop. So I'll say for x in a is containing the entire dictionary, right? All the keys, colon, and if I say print x, right? If I do this and hit on run, what would happen? All the name, age, standard has come. Generally you need the values, not the keys. So let's say I will use values and run it. What's happening? John, 12, 1 has come. Yes or no? First John, then 12 and 1. This is where you can see all the three things. Now let's say you would like to assign one value to three different variables. That also can be done. So the variable name, the dictionary variable name is student1, and then in square bracket, right? That's how you can access the each element. Let's say I'm going to access, put name here, and then b is equal to, I'll repeat the same thing, module1 dot the variable name, and then here I'm going to say age, okay, and then c variable, and I'll repeat the same thing, dot student, and here standard, right? You can always open the file and look at the spellings and everything. Okay, so done. Now let's print. So now they are in three different variables, a, b, comma, c. Now if I run this, what would happen? John 12:1, right? Three things has been printed quite well. Getting it? So these are the different ways from the module. How can you access a variable, right? It could be a dictionary variable, it could be a tuple, it could be a list, right? Or it could be a normal variable. So how do I pull those variables from a module? You have seen all, in short, all you have to remember is you have to import with the name, and anything you would like to access, you have to always take the name and then say the variable name or the function name or the class name, whatever it could be, right? You just take the file name dot, and if you write, everything will come. Only thing is you should know the syntax, the dictionary variable, how to access it. If it's a list, how do you access it? All those things you should know. That's it. Otherwise it's all a simple thing. How do you import a module? So thank you guys for watching it, and I'm pretty sure you must have already subscribed to my channel. If not, please do subscribe. Let's grow together. Please do subscribe to my channel and do support me. Thank you guys. We are going to meet once again in our next content. Till then, take care. Bye bye.